started off with an empty kitchen roll tube and cut a slit down the centre. Now I'm just rolling it together so it makes it a bit narrow. This is a deodorant top lid which I'm using for the shoulder, and same again for the hand, so that'll determine how thick you roll the tube up. Now just putting some glue in the joint to seal it together. Now I'm painting this green, but you can paint it any colour what you want really. Maybe about 2 or 3 coats. Same with a Pringles tube now. I'm painting that the same colour, that'll become the body. Just putting some glitter ribbon on the edge of the Pringles tube now. Same again at the bottom, just gluing it on. Doing one down the centre, which will be the centre of his jacket. Just gluing that on. And just cutting off the excess. Now just using some black ribbon for his belt. And just gluing a little bit of that gold ribbon on for his buckle. I do add a little black bit on later on, but I forgot to show it. Now I'm just spraying the 2 shoulders and the 2 hands with some gold paint. Just giving it a few light coats, build it up, let it dry in between. And that's them done. Sorry about the different camera angles. Just placing the hand on now. I'm just putting a bit of glitter around the cuff. Bit of glitter ribbon, there it is. That's that one done. Same again on the other one. Just placing the shoulders on, but they will come off in a minute. That's the 2 arms done. Just drilling a hole now near the top of the shoulder. Just through one side of it. Same again on the other one. Just drilling a hole on both sides of the body where the shoulder goes. Just removing the lid. Now with an old pencil, placed it in one arm, through the body and into the other one. Just putting a bit of hot glue on there, cutting off the excess, and just putting some glue inside the arms. I'm just marking a slit on the back of the body now with a large lollipop stick. And just cut that out. It needs to be enough room for the lollipop stick to move. Just removing that, snipping that off, and gluing it to the pencil through the slot so it'll act as a lever. Some hot glue, and just placing some cut-offs on there just so it holds it on more securely. That'll become a lever then for the arms. I'm just marking some buttonholes on the front of the jacket. You can do any design what you want. Now using some thin gold ribbon, I'm just doing like a lace effect on the jacket. Like I say, you can do any design. I'm just gluing that on with some hot glue. Just gluing little strips. So it's supposed to look like a lace effect. Keep carrying on all the way down. Now just using some gold coloured drawing pins and just going over the edge of the ribbon, just so it dresses it up a little bit. Just doing some the gold ribbon on the elbow, did that both sides. That's pretty much it for the body. Putting the base on, gluing that on. Now I'm just putting his shoulders on, they can be glued on now. Just painting the stick at the back, which is the lever. Just painting that green, same colour as his coat. Now we're doing the same again on another tube for the leg, which is just a little bit thicker on this one. Exactly the same procedure. Painted them green as well. These are off shampoo bottles, 2 lids. I painted them gold as well. Just got an old coaster now, I'm just painting that black for the base. On the feet I'm just drawing some laces on with a black marker pen. That's that done, and I glued it down onto the coaster. For the boots I'm just using some thicker ribbon, which is a thicker gold ribbon. Just doing that twice and that'll look like his boot. Gluing that onto his feet. I also did some round his knees, some lace. And gluing that on the body. That's pretty much done for the body. Just using a playpen ball here. Got a plastic drawing pin for the nose. Gluing that in, just waiting for it to dry. Now the paint, I think mixed up some red, white and yellow paint to make like a peachy face colour. Did 2 or 3 coats of that. And you need the front because you're going to have some hair at the back. That's that done. Just gluing another Pringles lid into a yoghurt pot. I sprayed this with the same colour gold, but I also added some glitter on while it was drying. This is off a fabric softener bottle. Just shortened it down to cut like the end off and painted it gold. That'll become his neck. Using some hot glue, glued his head on. Putting some good hot glue at the back. These are black feathers. I ordered these for my daughter, but she didn't use them, so just using that for his hair. It's all the way around. Now the last bit, I lost a bit of footage of just doing the face, but basically a couple of eyes, a pen with the mouth, the moustache, the eyebrows. Glued the hat on and just put a bit of a ribbon for all the hat on. That's pretty much it really. Just did a bit of white paint, like a speckled effect to look like a bit of snow. That's it, all done. Another easy project. Now you can use a lot better parts or materials, but I just want to show you what you could use with bits of rubbish, basically what you throw away every day. There's a lever at the back. And that's it. Thanks for looking. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see.